Hey everyone, if you want to use your phone as a webcam in Google Meet with DroidCam, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you the complete setup step by step. So let's get started. First, install the DroidCam app on your phone and the DroidCam client on your Windows PC. Connect your phone to your computer using either Wi-Fi or a USB cable. Once connected, make sure the live camera preview appears in the DroidCam client. Next, open Google Meet in your web browser and sign in with your Google account. Start a new meeting or join an existing one. Before entering the meeting, click the camera drop-down menu and select DroidCam Source or DroidCam Video, depending on your installed version. After a few seconds, your phone's camera should appear in the preview window. If needed, adjust your phone's position and lighting for the best video quality before joining the meeting. If you want to use your phone's microphone as well, enable audio in the DroidCam client before connecting. Otherwise, you can keep using your computer's microphone without changing any other settings. If the camera doesn't appear, make sure DroidCam is already connected, refresh Google Meet, or restart your browser and try again. And that's it. You've successfully set up DroidCam with Google Meet. Now you can use your phone as a high-quality webcam for online meetings and video calls. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech guides.